Namaste and welcome to this session dedicated to Pawanmuktasana Series, Part 1, also known as the Anti-Rheumatic Group. This unique sequence is designed to loosen up the joints of the body, improve flexibility and remove energy blockages. It is particularly beneficial for those dealing with conditions like arthritis, rheumatism, high blood pressure, heart problem or other ailments where vigorous exercise is not recommended. These gentle movements work wonders in enhancing coordination and body awareness, building self-confidence, releasing tension and stiffness in the joints, improving energy flow throughout the body. This series focuses on slow mindful movements synchronized with your breath, making it ideal for beginners, elderly practitioners and anyone looking to gently revitalize their body. Before we begin, let's understand the three levels of awareness that you should maintain during the practice. First, physical awareness. Focus on the actual movements, the interaction between your joints, muscles and ligaments and how each movements feel. Second, breath awareness. Synchronize each movement with your breath. Inhaling and exhaling consciously enhances relaxation and balance your energy. Third, pranic awareness. Over time, you will begin to sense the subtle flow of prana or life energy as a tingling or lightness in your body. This awareness deepens the practice and revitalizes the mind and body. After every 2 or 3 exercises, take a moment to pause in base position. Sit quietly, close your eyes and observe the sensation in your body. This helps integrate the benefits of each movement and prevents fatigue. Prarambhik Sthiti, base position. So let's begin in the base position. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Keep your back upright, palms resting gently beside your hips for support. Relax your body completely. Allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to unclench and your breath to flow naturally. Take a few deep breaths here. Feel yourself grounding into the earth, your spine elongating and your mind becoming centered. This position is the foundation for all movements in today's session. First, Padungli Naman, toe bending. Straighten your legs and focus on your toes. Inhale deeply and as you exhale, curl your toes downward. Inhale again and stretch your toes upward. Repeat this for 10 slow, mindful rounds. This movement stimulates blood circulation in the feet, improves flexibility and activates energy channels. Second, Gulf Naman, ankle bending. Point your toes forward as you inhale and pull them back towards you as you exhale. Perform 10 repetitions. This simple exercise strengthens the ankle joints and improves the range of motion. Third, Gulf Chakra, ankle rotation. Rotate your ankles in a circular motion. First move them clockwise and then counterclockwise. Do 10 rotations in each direction. This practice prevents stiffness and enhances flexibility in the ankle joints. Fourth, Janu Naman, knee bending. Place your hands under your thighs for support. Inhale as you bend one knee, bring it close to your chest and exhale as you straighten the leg. Alternate between both legs. Perform 10 repetitions on each leg. This exercise releases tension in the knees and improves joint mobility. Fifth, Janu Chakra, knee crank. Hold your bent knee with both hands and rotate it in a circular motion. Move clockwise first, then counterclockwise. Complete 10 rotations in each direction for each leg. This movement strengthens the knee joint and lubricates the cartilage. Sixth, Ardha Titli Asana, half butterfly. Bend your right leg and place the foot on your left thigh. Gently bounce your right knee up and down, keeping your back straight. Perform 10 rounds on each side. This practice opens the hip joints and removes stiffness. Seventh, Shroni Chakra, hip rotation. With the same bent leg, rotate your knee in a circular motion. Perform clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. Repeat 10 rotations in each direction for both legs. This movement lubricates the hip joint and improves mobility. Eighth, Purna Titli Asana, full butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together and clasp them with your hands. Bounce your knees up and down gently. Perform 20 gentle bounces. This asana opens the pelvic region and improves blood circulation. Ninth, Mushtika Bandhan, hand clenching. Stretch your arms forward. Inhale and clench your fist tightly. Exhale and release your fist. Repeat 10 rounds. This strengthens the hand muscles and improves grip. 10th, Manibandha Naman, wrist bending. With your arms extended, bend your wrist upward as you inhale and downward as you exhale. Perform 10 repetitions. This exercise relieves tension and improves flexibility in the wrist. 11th, Manibandha Chakra, wrist rotation. Rotate your wrist clockwise and counterclockwise. Do 10 rotations in each direction. This is excellent for maintaining wrist joint health. 12th, Kohini Naman, elbow bending. Stretch your arms forward. Inhale as you bend your elbows, bringing your hands to your shoulders. Exhale as you straighten them. Perform 10 repetitions. This strengthens the elbow joints and improves mobility. 13. Kohini Chakra, elbow rotation. Rotate your forearms in wide circular motions. Do 10 rotations in each direction. This prevents stiffness in the elbow. 14. Skandha Chakra, shoulder socket rotation. Place your fingers on your shoulders and rotate your elbows in wide circles. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. Perform 10 rotations in each direction. This movement relieves shoulder tension and enhances flexibility. 15. Griva Sanchalan, neck movements. Perform the following neck movements. First, side twisting. Inhale and then while exhaling, look left. Then slowly inhale center and exhale to the right side. Inhale center and again to the left. Second, forward and backward bending. Look up as you inhale and lower your chin as you exhale. Third, side bending. Tilt your head towards each shoulder. Fourth, neck rotation. Rotate your neck slowly in both directions. Complete 10 repetitions for each movement. This practice releases neck stiffness and improves posture. Congratulations on completing the Anti-Rheumatic Group of Pawanmuktasana. These simple yet effective movements are a gift to your joints and overall well-being. In our next video, we will explore the digestive or abdominal group. Don't forget to check out the previous videos in this series and explore our playlist for more yoga practices. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more yoga insights. Let's continue this journey together. Namaste.